Welcome back to my wonderful channel! Today, I'm going to show you how to make Maltese spiced chickpea stew. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's perfect for any cozy night. And let's dive into the recipe. In our family, we absolutely adore this dish. And since you guys always ask for more dinner ideas, I'm excited to share this gem with you. Trust me, once you give this recipe a try, it will become a staple in your household too. Before we begin, please do you and T forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Now let's get started. This recipe is designed to serve 4 people, and it's really simple to make. All the spices and ingredients come together to create a unique flavor profile that is both comforting and satisfying. To begin, grab a large pot or Dutch oven. Add in your 1 tablespoon of olive oil and bring it to a gentle simmer. Next, add in the chopped onion, bell pepper, and celery. Cook them until they start to soften. Then add in the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute until fragrant. Now it's time to incorporate the spices. Add in the cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, allspice, and black pepper. Give it a good stir and then pour in the chicken broth. Stir everything together and bring the mixture to a boil. Next, add in the drained and rinsed chickpeas. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover! And let the stew cook for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the spices to infuse into the chickpeas and the vegetables. While the stew is simmering away, it's time to prepare the tomatoes. In a separate pan, heat up some olive oil on low heat. Add in the chopped tomatoes with their juices, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of honey. Continue to fry the tomatoes on low, stirring occasionally until they become somewhat thick and jammy. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After the stew has simmered for 20 minutes, check the consistency. If the liquid is too thin, continue to simmer until it reduces slightly. Once the liquid is at the right consistency, it's time to add the tomato mixture. Stir everything together and cook for an additional 5 minutes. To finish the stew, add in the fresh parsley and mint. These herbs bring a wonderful freshness to the dish. Now serve this beautiful Maltese spiced chickpea stew warm and enjoy every bite. I like to serve my stew with a dollop of yogurt and a sprinkle of crispy fried onions on top. It adds a nice contrast in texture and a deeper layer of flavor. You can also serve it with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for an extra touch of richness. And there you have it. A simple, yet incredibly delicious Maltese spiced chickpea stew. The combination of tender chickpeas, soft vegetables, and aromatic spices is truly irresistible. This stew is not only delightful to eat, but it's also very easy to make. Even the most novice of cooks can whip up this masterpiece with minimal effort. I know you're going to love this recipe as much as we do. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience the heartwarming flavors of Malta in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I always appreciate your feedback, and it helps my channel grow. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and you won't want to miss any of them. From my family to yours, I wish you happy cooking and happy eating. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.